Dear friends of Dhamma, a great spiritual deed is organized to bestow blessings upon humanity. We invite you to, with love and compassion, to join it from wherever you are in the world. Spiritual act of truth or Satyakriya is one of the ways to employ power of mind to achieve safety of our lives and other realistic wishes according to Buddhism. Why do we perform this spiritual act at this point in time? Many spiritual teachers have recognized that the world will face catastrophic disasters during the time period of 2012, 2013 and 2014. There is a great risk of massive destruction and loss of many human lives by earthquakes, tsunamis, asteroid hitting Earth, wars, floods, epidemics, etc. Though we cannot completely avoid the effects of all such disasters, if we can reduce the impact of them on human life, then it's a great gift of fearlessness and life, what we call Abhayadana in Pali. We can reduce perils to some extent by employing the spiritual power within us by recollecting great acts of virtue. In this spiritual act of truth, we make a cooperative attempt to consolidate our spiritual power across the world in order to minimize potential human suffering from the effect of catastrophes. Lord Buddha of mighty compassion said, "O monks, I don't see a single thing that when developed becomes immensely productive and useful as the mind. The mind when developed becomes immensely productive and useful." Many incidents occurred at the time of the Buddha bears witnesses to prove how effective a Satyakriya can be. In the recent fast, we have earned rewarding results by this type of collective Satyakriyas in which hundreds of thousands of people in Sri Lanka contributed with their mental power to shower blessings upon humanity. Leading members of Sajjana Satseva Mitra Santavaya in Porvadanda, Sri Lanka will direct this spiritual act of truth from the sacred land of Jetavanarama in India, where the Lord Buddha spent most of his life teaching the Dhamma. All of you may join in this meritorious act from any place in the world to perform this spiritual act of truth. Compassionate beings around the world are requested to direct their thoughts of love and compassion at the given time so that the consolidated effect of their kindness is most powerful. What is the procedure? We will begin this spiritual act of truth by reflecting on a meritorious deed that we have done in the past, or by reflecting on an instance in which we refrain from doing an evil act through great strength of mind. Then think thus: it is a truth that I performed this meritorious deed or refrain from such an evil act in the past. By the power of this truth, may the catastrophes heading towards the world be minimized. May lives be protected. May this virtue be a support to all who will make many sacrifices and effort to save mankind from perils. For the success of this type of a spiritual act of truth or Satyakriya, three conditions should be fulfilled. The deed you reflect upon should be true. It should have been performed by you. You have to arouse that state of mind which was there at the time you performed this act. When hundreds of thousands of people radiate their compassionate mental power to the universe at a single time, we can generate a tremendous spiritual power. This is a great Abhayadana, giving of fearlessness and life to the whole world. Please calculate your own local time according to your location based on this time. The time is 2 minutes after 9 in the morning on Sunday, November 20th, Sri Lanka time. Please calculate your own time according to your position of the globe. And dear friends of Dhamma, please do not use this day to perform your own personal satyakriyas for your personal achievements. If we become egocentric, we will spoil our mental power. You can perform your own personal satyakriyas on a different day. We invite you too to join us in this great spiritual act of truth with loving kindness or metta. You can join us from wherever you are in the world. May you be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much.